So, hello everyone, and welcome back to another great day of our POTD streak of day 175. So, again, I saw this question just an half an hour ago, and it's actually an easy category question, right? So, मैं रहा नहीं गया यार. So, let us see that what this today's question say, and we will go ahead. So, if you read the question, able to solve it, well and good. Else, let's solve it together. So, the name of the question is find the total time taken, and the question is saying that you have two arrays, right? One of the array name ARR, and another is for time, right? What you need to do is that you have to determine the total time taken in order to pick all the array from right to left. But there is a condition. What's the condition is that if from left previous elements are different, it takes 1 second to pick an element to get repeated until it will take time of array of I, right? तो अगर elements different है, right, तो हमें 1 second लेना है. But if element is repeating, then you have to take this time. ठीक है, बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन है. तो बस दो, एक इफ और एक एल्स से अपना काम हो जाएगा, राइट? और ये क्या बोल रहा है कि इफ द एलिमेंट इज रिपीटिंग देन यू हैव टू यूज दैट एलिमेंट एज इंडेक्स इनटू द टाइम एरे. तो मतलब कि मेरे पास कोई एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए जिससे मैं चेक कर सकूं इफ माय करंट एलिमेंट इज रिपीटिंग और नॉट, राइट? तो उसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर कौन सा है? हैश सेट और हैश मैप, है ना? दैट वी कैन चेक इन ओ ऑफ वन टाइम. तो ठीक है, तो देखते हैं कैसे कर सकते हैं इसे. So you can see clearly that we will maintain a, let's say, hash set. First we will add 1 because it is not repeating, and my answer will be just 1, right? Yes. उसके बाद मैं 1 sec. So you are taking the first element, right? So you are at the 0th second. So visiting just the first element will be the 0th second, and then you will add the current element in the hash set, right? So let's say this is your hash set, right? And then for I equals to 0, you added it. For I equals to 1, your element is 2 and it is not repeating, that it has not present previously in the set, right? So हम 2 को भी ऐड कर देंगे और आंसर हमारा प्लस प्लस हो जाएगा. So we'll maintain a variable, let's say answer equals to 0, and we'll do plus plus, that is 1. Then for I equals to 2, what will happen? तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या हो गया 0, यहाँ पे आंसर हो गया 1. For I equals to 2, again you will see that the element is 3 which is not repeated as of now. तो 3 को भी सेट में पुश कर दो and answer will again increment to 1 pointer and it will be 2, right? For I equals to 3, you will see that the element is repeated now because 3 was already present and my current element is also 3. So what I have to take, I have to just, instead of doing plus plus, I have to take the here array of I minus 1. Why minus 1? Because it said that the array is from 1 based indexing, right? But it has but actually the index started from 0, right? So that is why minus 1 is required. So that is the only catch here. That is the only thing that we need to handle, or we need to mention, not handle itself. So what it will say that I will go to the time array. What is my current element? That is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So what is the time of 2? So 0, 1, 2. It is 3, right? So it will give you, previously it was 3, right? So 3 plus 3 will give you 6, correct? Correct. But since I've started from 0 time, right? So answer here was 2. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5, and that is your answer, right? So what I need to do is that I need to start from the element, let's say for I equals to 0. If I start from 0 and I will say for I less than n, I plus plus, right? And what I'm going to do is that I will maintain one set, and after traversing, I will be just having these two things, that if set dot contains, let's say what array of I, if it contains my current array element, then what I will do, that my answer plus equals to nothing but time of array of I, right, minus 1, to handle the 0 base indexing part. This will be the first if statement, and then the another else statement will be just handling that if it's not the case, if it is not present in the array, then what you need to do is first you add it in the hash set. So set dot add array of I, right, and then you need to increment it just once, so it would be answer plus plus. That would be the only two if statement, or let's say two conditions to solve this question, right? And at last you just have to return answer minus 1. Why minus 1? Because I guess I'm starting from I equals to 0, right? So I'll be pushing the element, I'll be pushing the first element as well, and it will be not be present, and my answer will be incremented as part of 1, right? But here I saw that for I equals to 0, I'm just taking for answer equals to 0, right? So it will fall in the else part, and in the I equals to 0 itself, it will increment to 1, then I equals to 1 will increment to 2, and equals to 2 will increment to 3, and then 3 plus this 3 for I equals to 3 will give you 6, right? So we just have to handle that one extra part that we are doing it for I equals to 0, right? तो ये हमें बस हैंडल करना था, ठीक है? तो रिटर्न आंसर ऑफ I minus 1. So that is it. So please give yourself a time of 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm saying it again, it was a very easy question, and I just read it half an hour ago, and मैंने ये कोड लिखा और it works, right? तो ठीक है, आप भी 2-3 मिनट का समय लो and solve this question. Till then, let's stop this video from our end, and we will resume it. Yes, so that is it. We have maintained the hash set. We have just because to check if the element is have previously occurred or not, because then you have to take the time from this thing as mentioned in the question, right? Time of array of I minus 1, because it's a 1 based indexing. So, but the actual array is from 0 based indexing. That is it. I hope you'll be able to relate this code as well, whatever we did in the dry run. So, and let us see the constraint as well before hitting the submit button. So constraint here is 10 per 5, and our solution is working in O of n. We are just using one explicit for loop and a hash chart which is taking O of n complexity. So definitely it is less than 10 per 8 and it should get submitted, right? Let us verify that as well, and then we'll proceed on with the C++ code as well. Okay, great. So it's completed, and I don't think I should spare some time on C++ code as well. You just have to convert this hash set into C++, and rest of all the things will I hope will work fine, right? Just use the contains function whatever you use in the C++. So that's up to you guys. Just change it into C++, or else C++ users, I request you to convert this code in C++ and mention in the comment section as well for the other users as well. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye, and take care. We'll meet on Monday.